right, part two of our opening. Let's see what we get. Just toss it on over to the side. Tyler Locklear.
I'm pretty sure we already have that one.
Jose Ramirez. And we got Pete Crow Armstrong.
It's the future stuff.
Ronell Cruz. Michael King. We're Padre fans in here, so most of the Padre players that we know are good, we're going to take. Ichiro. I actually have a baseball signed by Ichiro. When I was the barber for the Mariners, Ichiro was able to sign a baseball for me, so that was pretty cool. And we got Skeens, Paul Skeens. Very cool. All right. We have 4 more packs left. Very Jose Miranda. Numbered. Not numbered. But very cool card. Jose Miranda. Shohei Ohtani. Everybody likes Shohei. Oop, probably shouldn't have done that. Awesome. Awesome. J.P. Crawford, my boy. I was his barber as well, so I'll definitely hold on to that. Get him to sign it. Mookie Betts. Alright, so far for this part, this is every one we pulled so far. Alright, let's see who we got. Let's see. Matt Chapman. Oh, but you skipped one.
I did both of these.
Alright. Alright. Last pack. Adrian Del Castillo. Jerry Cantillo. Luis Castillo. Childs. Bobby Witt Jr. Juan Soto. And we have Zach Eflin. Juan Soto. Very cool. So for this part, this is everyone we got so far. Now let's get ready to pull the 5 silvers. Let's put these up first. Put those up to the side. All right, let's open it. See what we get. Open it the same way. Everything else. We got 5 silvers. Let's see. John Gray, Baltimore Orioles. Suarez, Freddie Freeman, and Ryan Pepiot. These are very cool. Check one. Gray. Get the Baltimore Orioles. You get Eugenio Suarez, Freddie Freeman, and Ryan Pepito. Pepiot. Thank you guys for watching with us and have a blessed day.